This instructional video will show you the steps that must be taken to adjust the Codman Certas Plus programmable valve with the new electronic toolkit. To begin, power on the device by pressing and holding the purple button on the front of the locator until the screen turns on. The Certas logo will appear, followed by the calibration screen. Press the purple button on the front of the locator again to complete calibration. The adjustment tool must be at least 60 centimeters or 24 inches away from the locator to avoid influencing the calibration. Once calibrated, the locator is ready for use and the system-ready screen will be shown. Locate and determine the general flow direction of the valve. Place the concave section of the locator base in contact with the patient and orient with the valve's direction of flow. A valve illustration is inside the adjustment tool cavity to serve as a reference for the valve. For the best procedural results and increased stability, grip the locator around its base, maximizing the contact between your hands and the patient. When in proximity of the valve, the locator will display the locating dot. With the concave section of the locator base in contact with the patient, move the locator in a linear direction to align the locating dot with the circle in the valve silhouette. Maintain the proper orientation of the direction of the flow. Once the locating dot is centered, the locating dot will illuminate white with a check mark, and indication windows will appear. A single, fully visible number within the window indicates the performance setting of the valve. Do not rotate the locator to obtain or center a number in the window, as this can result in inaccurate indication of the performance setting. Insert the adjustment tool into the locator so that the line on the adjustment tool is pointing towards the current performance setting. Turn the adjustment tool directly to the desired performance setting. Withdraw the adjustment tool in a single straight motion and place it in a minimum distance of 60 centimeters or 24 inches from the locator. Confirm the number in the window matches the desired performance setting of the valve. If the check mark disappears, the performance setting may still be indicated, as long as the locator is in proximity of the valve and accurately oriented to the direction of flow. Once the desired performance setting has been achieved, power down the device by pressing and holding the purple button on the front of the locator until the screen turns off.